Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegib.com, link in the description below. Sure, here's an informative tutorial on how to create a Python program to generate the Fibonacci series. The Fibonacci series is a sequence of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding ones, usually starting with 0 and 1. This Python script defines two functions, generate _Fibonacci _series and generate _Fibonacci _series _up _to _value. The first function generates a Fibonacci series up to a specified number of terms, while the second function generates a series up to a specified value. The main function demonstrates the usage of these functions by generating and printing two different Fibonacci series. You can customize the script by changing the values of n_terms and max_value in the main function to generate Fibonacci series of different lengths or up to different values. ChatGPT